Right, the guide to cook the perfect steak. Hot pan. So the secret here is to literally sear the steak and not boil it. Season it first. Beautifully done. Salt and pepper. Nice large grains of pepper. Got a nice bit of heat. Mop up. Now let's cook the steak. Touch of oil in. Lay it around. Pan started smoking. Now, you gotta put the steak away from you. Always away from you, so it doesn't spatter on your face. And let the pan do the work. That's the kind of noise you wanna hear on the pan every time. Literally, 30 seconds, you turn the steak in. Literally, 30 seconds, you can see the color. Knob of butter. Crushed garlic. You don't need to peel the garlic. Just put the garlic in. A bit of rosemary. To give that big, juicy fragrance that you want in a steak. Now, baste the steak beautifully. Now, you want that steak to have a thick crust on the outside, so on the inside it's nice and rare. Now, get the steak one more time. Now, literally a minute and a half, your steak should be done. Okay. Now, take your steak off the heat onto a plate. Beautiful. Now, don't you ever touch the steak, poke the steak, or anything. But medium rare on the outside. Perfect. Now, let's make the steak to rest for at least 5-10 minutes. Then we're done. Now, all the juice from the pan, put in the steak. Now, this steak is still rare. Now, by resting the steak, this steak will be medium rare, perfectly done, and ready to eat. 8 minutes since I rested the steak. Now, let's try it out. Let's see what I've got. Perfect steak. Let's eat. On the effort. Alrighty, boy. Another day, another dollar out here in Manila, man. We tried a steak. This steak actually turned out pretty fucking good, man. I hope you enjoyed that video, because we're gonna be eating already and telling you how this steak gonna taste like. Not overcooked, because I just cooked this steak for over 3 minutes actually. 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, I think. I just turned it twice and that's about it. Hell yeah, now let's try it out the steak, man. Let's see. Let's go eat this steak, man, for real. Now credits to Gordon Ramsay for this very awesome recipe. I liked it a lot. It's very yummy, man. Seasoning the steak. This steak is actually pretty fucking good. Perfectly cooked steak, boy. Now that's how you cook some steak, nigga. Don't ever overcook your steak, or else don't buy no fucking steak, boy.
You don't even need a knife.
You don't need a knife because this steak is so tender. Wagyu beef, nigga.
I want to taste. You want to taste?
I'm just kidding. This is just Angus beef, boy. Not some Wagyu beef. Good steak, right?
This is the best steak ever, babe. Sobrang sarap.
I told you. I told you so. Because it's made by Gordon Bars. Gordon Bars. Get it?
Hindi ako nag-overreact. Sobrang sarap talaga. As in.
If you don't believe me, then you gotta send me an email if you want me to cook at your house, nigga, because I'm gonna do it for sure. I'm not even fucking kidding, dude. See that cut, nigga? Boy!
This is the best steak I've tasted.
Yeah.
Halo pa yung kinainan
Hella
natin.
excited, man. Hella excited. You don't need this anymore in this steak. We got some rice, we got some steak, we all good. You know what I'm saying? You don't need a knife for this tender ass Angus beef. Damn.
Gusto mong masabi para ako magsasabi.
Damn. My very awesome videographer out here. The touch of butter. Well seasoned steak. Some rosemary. And the garlic. Based it all together, man. Hella fucking awesome, boy. Now, if you're a steak lover like me, and you like some well done steak, nigga, don't bother buying some steak, boy. Cause you just gonna fuck it up, nigga. Just like that.
Ano yung feeling na gusto mong kumain at the same time ayaw mo siya maubos? Ganun siya kasarap. Yung magagalit ka kasi paubos mo siya.
And she said she on a diet.
Actually,
If you see red spots out here, that's not blood. That's not raw meat. That's just the color of the beef. You know what I'm saying? And when you cut the beef and you see red sauce gushing out, that's not blood. That's what you call the juice of the beef. The reason why it's red, because the red pigments on the beef, it's red and it's pink. Think about it this way. When you cook dinuguan, right? The blood turns black. Apparently, if you cook this, why does it turn black though? Bulit ba sa lasa?
as in nung
Tama talaga yung pang-amoy ko dito. Kasi pag naamoy ko yung kakaibang amoy, alam ko alin na masarap siya. Kanina naamoy ko yung kakaibang amoy na po. Iba yung amoy na ito sa amoy ng iba kong steak na naluto. Parang may kakaiba dito. No? Dati kasi takot akong mag-season ng steak. Kumbaga ayaw ko siyang ma-overpower ng salt and pepper. Puta, nung nakita ko yung Gordon Ramsay yung ano yun. Tagal ko na pinapanood pero hindi ko talaga ginagawa eh. Sabi ko, tangina na over-seasoning na to. Hindi pala. Tama lang pala.
tingnan.
No?
The Effort by Golden Boss.